Hi, class. Today you are going to be doing an assignment where I can get to know you. You are going to be telling me 3 things about you. You're going to be doing this on a Google Drawing, and I'll show you how in a minute. Some things you could talk about. You could tell me about your family. You could tell me about some of your favorite things, favorite color, favorite animal, favorite food, video game, whatever you can think of. You could tell me what you like or don't like about school. But remember, you're going to tell me 3 things about you. So you are going to go to the Google Drawing that I have created for you. You'll see it linked below. You'll open it. So you can add pictures if you want. So to do that, you're going to go up here to Insert Image. Now it's easiest if you just click Search the Web and you can see it over here. So maybe I'm going to tell you that my favorite superhero is Captain America. So I'll take this picture. I can just drag it on over. Whoa, that's really big. I don't want it that big because it's taking up my whole thing. And remember, you need to tell me 3 things about you. So you can just make it smaller. There we go. Now you're going to include words. So text box, I can just click next to it. My favorite superhero is Captain America. Notice it underlined. If you just click with your 2 fingers on your Chromebook, see, yes, that's one word. That's right. Okay, now if you want to get all fancy with your fonts, you can on this bar. You can change it to a different font. You can make it a little bit bigger if you want. I'm going to move it over now so it's not sticking off. All right. So something else I could tell you. I have 2 dogs. Let me find a picture of a golden doodle because those are what kind of dogs I have. Oh, that kind of looks like my dog actually. So I'm going to drag this over here. Perfect. So I can drag it around wherever I want. Remember, I can change the font if I want. Don't have to. Okay, and then let's see, what else could I tell you? Oops, I didn't mean to close that. Remember, if you forget, just go up to Insert Image. Search from the web. You can also upload pictures that you might have on your Chromebook, but this is a pretty simple way to do that. Let's see, I like the Vikings. We'll include Minnesota so that they know which Vikings I mean. Drag it over. Go insert a text box. I love the Vikings. So it doesn't have to be anything fancy. Let's do that font. Why not? All right. Now, I included 3 things about me. What I do want you also to include is your name at the bottom. Now, this will be on Schoology, so I will be able to tell who it is, but it's still good practice to put our name on things. So just include by and then your name somewhere on it. It doesn't have to be big, but that way you can see that. It's always also good practice to give it a title. So 3 things about me. All right, so now I am done. Okay, so then you'll just be able to submit that as your assignment. Any questions, let me know.